Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Jumping right into this look, I'm gonna start off doing my brows. I used Beauty Bakery's matte lippy in the shade Cranberry Stiletto, and I started off with a angled eyebrow brush. I'm basically using this as I would an eyebrow pencil or pomade. I'm just coating my brows with it. I don't want it to be too bright, so I am going to go back over it with a regular eyebrow pencil, and this is by NYX in the shade Espresso. I want the brows to pretty much match my hair, and my hair has like 3 or 4 different tones in it, so I'm just matching it up with my brows. Now I'm going to go in with some Tarte Tape Shape Concealer, and this is in the shade Medium Tan Sand, and I'm going to start sculpting out the bottom of my brows with a concealer brush. Taking my Morphe M173 brush to blend out that concealer, I'm going to just start slowly blending out the concealer under my brows. Now I'm going to go in with some Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this is in the shade Mocha, and I'm going to start putting this on the top of my brows to sculpt those out. The key to doing brows is you want to make sure you use close to your skin tone concealer if you are not using your foundation to sculpt out the top of your brows. So always use your same skin tone concealer and then use a brighter concealer under the eye. That helps hide your regular hairs if they are bushy like mine, or it just helps highlight that under brow better. Y'all already know this primer I use almost on all my tutorials because this is very reasonable in price, and it is super beneficial when you have huge pores. So yeah, this is my favorite primer. This is by Milani. This is their No Pore Zone primer. I love it, y'all. It's super soft. It leaves my skin soft, and it definitely mattifies those shiny areas, which is your T-zone. Now I'm gonna go in with some Tarte Tape Shape Concealer, and I'm gonna place that right in the inner corner of my eye to give it a nice bright under eye. Alright, not sure why this part skipped, but this is my contour. I use Juvia's Place Shade Stick in the shade Nambia to contour my face, and I just apply that to all the areas that I'm going to contour with. This is a cream contour, by the way, y'all, and this is a foundation. It also can be used as a concealer, so that's why I love these shade sticks, because they are very multitasking. Like, they can multitask. They can serve different purposes. Now I'm gonna go in with my foundation. The foundation I'm using is by Fenty Beauty. The shades are 410 and 360. I mixed those together, and I just applied that in all the areas that I needed to apply my contour. Now I'm gonna go in with some NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. Yeah, I love this concealer. It does increase under your eyes. It's full coverage. I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna start placing this right in the inner corner of my eye. After making sure everything is nicely blended, I went in with my Laura Mercier satin powder. This is in the shade Translucent. And I went with a Real Technique brush and I started softly patting a thin layer of satin powder on my face to keep it from creasing. I did it fast. It just don't look like I did it fast in here, but I blended it out and then I went in with the satin powder to set it. Using Pimpy's Mixed Race palette, I'm going to start contouring my face. I'm starting to like that real heavy bronze, so I'm gonna just heavily bronze the side of my cheekbones real good, and it really sucks that face in more, so that's why I like to apply a little bit more bronzer now because it gives me that nice defined cheekbone. Because we're not doing too much to the eyelid, no color to the actual lid, I'm just going to place the concealer, whatever is left on that brush. I'm going to place that right on my eyelid and start blending it out. I'm also going to place powder right on top of the eyelid because I don't want my eyelids to crease. My eyelids get very oily and it start creasing. So this actually helps with that situation and prevents it from creasing or getting oily, just setting it with translucent setting powder. And I'm going to go in with this loose pigment by J. LaRue Cosmetics. This is in the shade Atomic. This is so dope, y'all. The video actually shows it no justice. It's a neon orange. I'm placing this right in the inner corner of my eye, just giving it a pop of color. Now I'm gonna go in with a pressed powder. This is out of my crayon case, the big box crayon case palette. I'm going in with an orange just to set off that Atomic Bomb and to blend it nicely into my eyelid. Now, I started off using Upscale Face eyeliner pen, which I absolutely love, y'all. I love this pen, and it gives you the most precise wing. But of course, it ran out, so I had to go in with my Milani. This is like my go-to eyeliner when I need it. This is the only eyeliner I use, only because it's super precise. The brush is very small, so you're easily able to guide it, and then it dries down super matte. Love it. It gives you the perfect wing. I really don't know what happened to the rest of the recording, but I just added lashes and did a new lip, dusted off the setting powder and sprayed. And this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching, y'all. Until the next video. See you on the next one.